Super King Matthew Harris, it's good to see you. We gotta get me out of this foul of fire. Have no fear, Happy. I'll have you out there in no time. Uh-oh, the bird got us. Thanks, Super King Matthew Harris. Another minute I whip up fish fry. Well, we defeated the bird goddess. It'll be terrible. But now we can go home. Perhaps. We can never know about the things of truth and justice we'll imagine. But all the things we have to go through. We can be. We must be. We will be victorious. That is why Super King Matthew Harris is here.